I hope you're doing well. Guys, today I'm here to present a reliable and unbiased boomer mask reviews. So guys, stay tuned with me. After my reviews get over, you will surely get to know whether the product is a legit or a scam. Guys, one thing more I wanted to tell you that if you ever been trapped in a fraud over any product, watch the video till the end. You will guys get to know how to get back your money. So guys, watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, for all the person who are searching and gaping for the reliable and designer and comfortable mask, are you looking for comfortable and reusable mask too with variety of designs? If yes, you can explore Boomer Mask. The mask is available in different sizes in regular, small, medium, large, extra large and XL. As per the research, the website ages 1 year 7 months and it claims to give you the best version of mask. When we talk about the product, it is a Boomer Nano Silver reusable protective face mask for adults. It is adjustable, has regular sizes, and guys, it is fully cover your nose and mouth with 3 layers that is comfortable, breathable, suitable for all day wear. The soft safe material is a 65% cotton and 35% polyester blend that are made to prevent droplets from spreading with 3 different layers each infused with nano silver fibers. The nano silver reusable mask conform to the most recent guidance from the World Health Organization, that is WHO. When we talk about the product specification, it is made with the latest technology. It is designer, available in different sizes, has nano silver protection and easily washable, has cotton stuff and polyester. Product pros made up of cotton, reusable, available in different sizes and easily comfortable to wear without having any skin allergies. So guys, before going ahead, do like and share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will motivate us to give you better version of all the information. So guys, now it's time to check out the legitimacy. So now let's check out the legitimacy points of the product. So guys, as per the research, the product is 1 year and 7 months old. The customer reviews are quite good. They're having good ratings. And even the brand has strengthened its image in the social media platform, as in the digital world. They're having all the information and all the posts with great followers on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, YouTube, presence with thousands and lakhs of followers and with great posts. Even the customers are appreciating the product for its regular, small, medium and large XL sizes, and they say that you can reuse the product with the ear loops, and they're having good breathing without restriction. It is easily washable in washing machine, they are saying that, and having nano silver protection, so users are happy with it. So guys, yes, as per our introspection, we found it to be a legit. We conclude it to be legit as it is having a good rating. It is serving users for more than 1 year. Customers are happy and using it, and the product is having a great social media presence and response. So guys, yes, we give a green signal to use this product. So if this product suits your pockets and if you wanted to go ahead with it, then keep on shopping and buying. So guys, yes, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video as we read all your comments over again and again in every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And guys, be safe and be informed. Thank you so much for being such a warm audience. Have a nice day ahead.